So guys, this is the project workflow. You can see, first of all, I have to update the config YAML file. Okay, the first thing you have to update the config YAML file, then you have to update the schema YAML file. You can see there is another file called schema.yaml. Then params.yaml. You can see params.yaml is also there. Then entity. You can see entity is there. I have to update this folder. Then configuration manager in src config. That means inside src config, configuration config, I'm having this configuration.py. I have to update this file. Then components. Then you can see component. Inside components will be having different components like data ingestion, validation, transformation. These are the component. Then pipeline. That means we have to update our pipeline. Then main.py. This is my endpoint, and then app.py. App.py should be my my web endpoint. Okay, web application endpoint. So if you execute app.py, it will launch on web application. Okay, so this is the entire project workflows. That means we'll be referring this workflow, then we'll be updating the code. Now it will be easy for you to update. Otherwise, you will forget, right? But you have to update at the very first. Yes, so this is the workflow. Now let's try to implement the entire project as our notebook experiment. So for this, what I will do, guys, I'll create a notebook here inside research folder. I'll name it as experiment.ipynb. Okay, so inside that we'll be doing the experiment.